welcome back to my channel. I am Jamie, and today we're going to be doing my new series, I think the third installment, of Graphic Liner Trendy Tuesday. I changed it from trends to trendy, so it sounds cuter. But anyways, I'm going to do a orange and kind of like a tealish look. I'll put the picture up here on the screen so that you know what I'm doing here. And I'm going to go ahead and just start right off. That's how I do it. I get in here, I get on, I do what I do, and done. That's the way I am. But I'm going to use one of my new favorites. It's called Violet Voss Best Life. I'm going to go in here and use some orange shades here on. I might put a little bit of the orange glitter, but we'll see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and go in with Sunsets, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on my entire eye. I need to get some new brushes out. I kind of been using these for a hot minute, sorry, but this is real life here. I don't sugarcoat anything. So I'm just going to go straight in with orange and pretty much just do my whole eye in the crease and above, and even down here on the bottom. Hopefully the light ain't too bright. Sometimes I feel like it is. So I feel like maybe there's, oh yeah. Oh, what is going on here? I put oil on, so I don't know if oil's good. Is that better? Okay, sorry about that, but before I put my stick foundation on, I put some oil on my face, and it was on my hands, so I still feel oily, but it feels nice seeing how it's winter or summer, and my skin is like, I need moisture. But yeah, I just got home from the gym not too long ago, sat down, ate a little bit, and now I'm filming my Trendy Tuesday. I've been loving it. Hopefully you guys been loving it too. Yeah, can you see like I look oily, but I put too much oil on my hands to put on my face, so I just had to rub it all over my arms, which I'm not mad at because I don't know why, but like I get the driest skin right here on my body. It's so weird. That's the weirdest spot, but that's where I get the driest, and like here on my forehead. I'm sure you wanted to know that, you know. But yeah, I'm just doing the whole orange fantasy. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in and let me see what it looks like first. Yeah, we're going to go in with Love right here. And it's not going to look exactly like the picture. It's basically, when I do it, it's like an inspired by type thing. So y'all can't come for me. I'm just putting that on my lid. And going to do that on both sides. Somebody's going by with a really loud radio. I used to have one, but I just really don't anymore. It's not a big deal to me. As long as I can listen to my music, I don't really need earth-shattering, like, bass. It's nice, though. I will admit. But what should we do at the bottom? I'm going to do a little bit more blending here. I'm going to put some more of that Sunset on, the matte color, which is a darker color. I know I need to drag this up farther. I do have a lot of space to work with, and I just never use it, and I don't know why. I just feel like it would be too much, but it looks pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to go in with Summertime, which is this, wait, which one is it? It's this one right here. It's kind of like a brown orange mix. I'm gonna put that on my lower line here, just a little bit, because I'll put over a little bit of that that more vibrant orange. So I'm going to put Sunsets over that. I just dropped my glasses on the floor. And That'll kind of brighten it up, but it'll also kind of just tie in with the top part. And I'm going to take some of that Summertime and put it kind of right in the crease. Not a whole lot, just like a little definition. Not so much where you can like see that there's another color, but maybe almost. Okay, I'm going to shut that palette. Love that palette, by the way. And then we can get into the eyeliner part. This is the hard part. This is the part we come here for, right? So let me, welcome to my face. Sherry, if you're watching, welcome to my face. But I'm going to take the NYX Vivid Brights in whatever this color is. I'm sorry, I don't know the colors. Is there a color on here? Vivid Envy, I believe. So, pardon me if I don't talk while I do this. I might fast forward.
Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great, how putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the noise. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. And you better find some fucking safety. I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch in pasties. They can't save me, no I ain't lazy, no. But society has me going so crazy, yo. Don't blame me, no my mind's hazy, yo. And I'm sick of me feeling this way daily. I'll always live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my life till it's over. And I will never give those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. You got one life, so live it right. Keep your friends tight and your family in sight. Never cease to fight for the things you think are right. Cause you just might find you control your own mind, eh? You'll be fine, eh? Just take your time, eh? Enjoy the climb, eh? Enjoy the grind, eh? You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, eh? Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo. Fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Work until you found, yo.
So I'm always trying to look up and see if you guys can see, so then I mess it up. But I'm going to, where I mess it up a little bit, put a little bit more orange on there. Hopefully that'll cover it up. So I'm just take this little brush and cover it up. Hopefully. I don't know if it's gonna work. Yeah, it's working good enough. And I'm just gonna make that more vibrant in the middle again. And let's see here. I'm gonna go over it, I think, with the liner one more time. I don't even know where I put the liner though. Girl, what'd you do with it? How? I lost it. Girl, what the hell? Well, maybe that's just the way it's gonna be then. Whatever. Okay, let's put on the rest of the makeup. I'm gonna put on my Bronze Please by L'Oreal. Been using this for a hot minute, y'all. And I'm gonna put on some blush. I'm gonna go with Laura Geller Central Park palette. It's this one right here in the middle. It's kind of an orangey, so it'll match our vibe. orange summer vibes. I always put some on my nose, I don't know. And then I usually take the brush that I put my foundation on with and kind of go over it so it like mellows that out. I'm gonna take Butterfly Beach by ColourPop. I have a little bit more to do with my eyes and I'll be done. Hopefully you can see that. It's really pretty. But that's Butterfly Beach by ColourPop. I'm gonna go off camera and do a little bit more and I'll come back with a final look in one moment. Okay, so I went off camera and I put a little bit of this, what is it, LA Girl Shockwave Neon in my waterline. Being kind of cleaned up a little bit. Put some lipstick, it's Call Out by Elme. And this is the final look. So hopefully you liked this graphic liner Trendy Tuesday. I've been wanting to do a look like this for a while, so I'm pretty happy with it. I know a lot of people are like, they want me to put black, but I just like the colors that, you know, the orange and the teal. And I could put some black in here, but I'm not going to do that. But anyways, hopefully you like this video. I will be back probably before next Tuesday, but I'll see you next Tuesday anyways. And make sure you subscribe to all my social media. They'll be down in the description bar. And I think that's all for today. Thanks for stopping in, and we'll see you next time. Bye.